Good morning, colleagues. I am happy to have the opportunity to talk to you today. I am here to talk about marine bioremediation using genetically modified algae. I divided my presentation into 6 parts. First, I will start introducing the background of the problem. Then I will show you the effect of marine debris in the oceans nowadays, what will take us to the problem I tried to solve in this project. Then I show you a feasible solution for the problem I explained you before. After that, I will show you the call to action, something we can do as a community to reduce the problem we are facing nowadays. And finally, I will show you the references I used in this project. Now, I am sure you are all familiar with plastic and its use in daily life. Plastic was invented in 1907 in the US, and it has become widely consumed thanks to its versatility. Every day, the industry is looking for improving its physical characteristics such as durability and transparency, among others. However, due to the absence of catabolic enzymes, these products are remarkably persistent to the environment, reason why they cannot be broken to their constituents. Plastic is mainly done with polyethylene terephthalate, also known as PET. Actually, marine debris has appeared as a result of massive use of plastic and accumulation of waste, and that is the reason why there are currently 6 plastic islands floating on the oceans around the globe. In this figure, you will notice the location of 5 of these islands, formed due to the circular ocean currents in those zones. They are mainly in the Pacific, in the Atlantic, and in the Indian Ocean. The 6th island is now getting to the Arctic, point of no return, where scientists have found samples of microplastic in different concentrations. Here in the figure you can see the plastic concentrations according to the position around the Arctic. The main point here, and the problem I'm trying to point out, is that PET is photodegradable, which means it is able to decompose by the action of light and air. This makes plastic turn into small pieces that animals confuse with food, taking them to starve to death, affecting marine environment in a severe way. That brings me to the solution, which consists in the use of genetic engineering. With the discovery of a bacteria called Ideonella sakaiensis, able to produce enzymes that reduce PET to its basic compounds, new possibilities have appeared. This time, the proposed solution is the use of gold pearls containing the DNA of this bacteria in order to bond it to 3 different algae taken from these plastic island zones in the oceans. Those algae are Nitschia longissima, Amphora coffeiformis, and Ligmophora flavellata. The point of taking these three algae is to avoid the introduction of new species that can damage these environments. What is expected is that after the bombardment, the algae are able to produce those enzymes to synthesize PET in a term of 20 days or so. This would mean an optimization of the time in the consumption of the PET microparticles, and also an improvement of the quality of water and the quality of the environment for the animals in these zones. Finally, there are 3 main things we all can do in order to reduce this problem. First, we can recycle the plastic we use and dispose it in the correct way. Second, we can reduce the products made of plastics as much as possible, or even avoid its use. One good example is France, that have forbidden the use of plastic bags in their shops, and now they are using fabric bags or paper bags. Third, the improvement and innovation of the main sources of plastic components. Nowadays, scientists are using avocado seeds to produce biopolymers, and they decompose in less than 30 days. Also, I want to invite you to watch the video called "Reducing Plastic as a Family is Easy, Here is How." This is produced by Nat Geo and is an invitation to be aware and change our minds to save the world. The link will be in the description of this video. Also, here in the reference section, I will show you the links and the sources for you to read if you are interested in the topic. Thank you very much for your attention.